Welcome to the online classes of Sacred Art High School. Children, today we'll be studying maths for standard 7th, chapter number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them. First, let us study what is an algebraic expression. In the given picture, we can see 2 apples and 3 mangoes. Each apple here is considered as x and each mango here is considered as y, which can be written together as 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y whole is known as an algebraic expression. Now let us study the different parts of the algebraic expression. Phi x minus 3 are the terms of the algebraic expression where phi is the coefficient, x is the variable and 3 is the constant. So this all together makes an algebraic expression. Let us understand the difference between the term coefficient and variable with the help of these columns. In the first, we can see 11mn, where 11 is the coefficient and m, n are the variables. This is what together makes a whole term. Coefficient and variable together makes an entire term. In the second row, we can see minus 9x square y cube, where minus 9 is the coefficient and xy are the variables. In the third row, we can see 5 by 6p, where 5 by 6 is the coefficient and p is the variable. A is the only term given, so we consider 1 as the coefficient and a is the variable. Children, expressions are named after the number of terms they have. So expression with one term are called as monomial, which is given in the first bracket. The monomial terms are 4x, 5 by 6m and minus 7. Expression with more than two terms are known as binomial, which is given in the second bracket, that is 2x minus 3y, 2l plus 2b, 3mn minus 5m square n. And expression with 3 terms are known as trinomial, that is a plus b plus c, x square minus 5x plus 6, 8a cube minus 5a square b plus c are trinomials. And expression which have more than 3 terms, they are called as polynomials, which are given in the last bracket, that is 5x raised to 5 minus half x plus 8x cube minus 5. These are the example of polynomial. Now let us classify the following algebraic expression as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. First example, 7x, which is an example of monomial. 5y minus 7z is an example of a binomial. 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11 is an example of trinomial. 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube consisting of more than 3 terms is an example of a polynomial. 5m minus 3 is an example of binomial. 6th and 7th example, that is a and 4 consisting of only one term, is an example of a monomial. And the last one, that is 3y square minus 7y plus 5 is an example of a trinomial. Now let us study the addition of algebraic expressions. First we'll study addition of monomial. 3x plus 4x, that is each monomial when added together gives us 7x. So this is how we add the monomial terms. Now let us see addition of binomial expression. It can be done in 2 methods, that is horizontal and vertical. First let us see the horizontal arrangement. 2x plus 4y plus 3x plus 2y. We will add the like terms, that is 2x plus 3x and 4y plus 2y. After addition, the answer we obtain is 5x plus 6y. Now let us see the vertical arrangement, that is 2x plus 4y in the first row. In the second row, we'll get 3x plus 2y. After addition of like terms, the answer we obtain is 5x plus 6y. Now let us see subtraction of algebraic expressions. Subtract the second expression from the first. Like addition, we can also do the subtraction with 2 methods, that is horizontal and vertical. First, let us see the horizontal arrangement. 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus 9x minus 27y plus 14z. First, we will open the bracket, that is 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus, now due to the introduction of minus sign, there will be a change in the sign of the rest of the terms, that is minus 27 will now become plus 27 and plus 14z now becomes minus 14z. Therefore, after this change of sign and opening of bracket, we will bring like terms together, that is 16x minus 9x plus 23y plus 27y plus 12z minus 14z. After simplification, we get the answer 7x plus 50y minus 2z. Now we will see the vertical arrangement. In the first row, we will write the first bracket, that is 16x plus 23y plus 12z. In the second row, we will write the second bracket, that is 9x minus 27y plus 14z. Now here there will be change in the sign of every term in the expression, and then we'll add the two expression or subtract, that is 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus 9x minus 27y plus 14z. After simplification, the answer we obtain is 7x plus 50y minus 2z. Again, you all can do either of these two methods, but keep in mind that there is a change in sign due to the introduction of the subtraction sign in between. Now let us see multiplication of algebraic expression. First, we will see the vertical arrangement, that is in the first row we will write 3x plus 4y multiplied by 5x plus 7y. First, we will multiply by 5x. The first bracket will be multiplied by 5x, which gives us 5x into 4y gives us 20xy, and 5x into 3x gives us 15x square. Now the second term, that is 7y, will be multiplied by the first bracket entirely, which gives us 7y into 4y 28y square, and 7 into 3 gives us 7 3s are 21xy. The final answer is 15x square plus 41xy plus 28y square. Now let us see the horizontal arrangement, that is in the first bracket 3x plus 4y multiplied by 5x plus 7y. Children, here we can see that first term 3x is multiplied by the whole second bracket, that is 5x plus 7y, and the second term of the first bracket is multiplied by the whole bracket of 5x plus 7y. Therefore, after opening the brackets and multiplication and bringing the like terms together, the answer we obtain is 15x square plus 41xy plus 28y square. So these are the two methods of adding, subtracting and multiplication of algebraic expression. Now let us see a word problem. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 cm long and 5x plus 3 cm broad. Find its area. First, we will write the given information, that is length of the rectangle, which is 8x plus 5, breadth of the rectangle, which is 5x plus 3. Now we already know the formula of area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. Length is 8x plus 5 and breadth is 5x plus 3. First term of the first bracket will be multiplied by the second bracket entirely, that is 8x into 5x plus 3, and second term of the first bracket will completely be multiplied by the second bracket, that is 5 into 5x plus 3. After opening the brackets and multiplying and bringing the like terms together, we are left with the answer 40x square plus 49x plus 15. Therefore, the area of rectangle is 40x square plus 49x plus 15. Children, I hope you all have understood addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expression. Thank you.